Let's look at Ardha Chandrasana, which is half moon pose. It's also a standing balance pose. Now, classically, I love to come into this pose from Trikonasana, triangle pose, because it sets up this smooth transition with all the alignment, and then it makes the balance a little bit more accessible. So we'll start in triangle pose. So I'm going to take my arms and legs nice and wide. I'll turn the front leg all the way out and the back foot all the way in. And then we'll come into Trikonasana, triangle pose. What's cool about this version, moving into Ardha Chandrasana, is that the alignment is pretty much already there. And the only thing that changes is we go from balancing on 2 feet and 1 hand to 1 foot and 1 hand. So to move into it, I'll bring my top hand to my hip, and then I can look down as I bend my front leg. I'll step my back foot in halfway. I'll move my front hand forward about 1 foot on the pinky toe side of my foot. Now this is key. My shoulder needs to shift over my wrist, and that takes the weight from the 2 feet to 1 foot and 1 hand. So watch, I shift, my back leg becomes light. Now I can press my bottom heel down to lift my top leg up and straighten my bottom leg. Because my hand is on my hip, once I get both legs straight, I can use that to open up my chest even more. Now I do have to grip my tailbone and upper back so that I don't topple over, but if I feel steady, I can lift my top arm up, which also helps me lift my chest. Lastly, maybe you can look up at your thumb if you're feeling steady. To come out, we retrace the steps. Hands to the hip, touch the top foot down, slide the hand back, step back, maybe through Trikonasana, triangle pose, and then all the way up. All right, let me know how it goes. Not that.
And that's Ardha Chandrasana.
Okay.
Thanks for following along.
And that's Ardha Chandrasana. Thanks for following along.